Hi, this is Tyler Saxton with A.T.S. Electro-Lube, and what we're going to do in today's video is cover how you change out a grease cartridge in our JACK series lubricators. Let me show you how. First, you'll want to unscrew your unit from the bearing. Once that's done, you'll want to unscrew the gray ring. Once that's completely unscrewed, you will remove your expelled grease cartridge. You will then grab your new grease cartridge, pull the cardboard cutout, line your groove that's located in your cylinder up to the groove located in your motor housing. Once that's done, you will apply your gray ring, take off your grease cap, apply back to your bearing, and then open the transparent cap to your motor house. Get rid of your old battery and put in the new battery supplied by A.T.S. Electro-Lube. Connect the battery and the circuit board like so. Your unit is in operation. Then you put your transparent cap on and you're good to go. My name's Tyler Saxton. Thanks for watching.